Hi, Tingu. This is the video I'm going to send you to see what changes I really want you to do. I'm sorry, I have to close all the rest so we won't be playing around. Okay, this is great. I will be writing as a comment what changes I want you to make. That's very good. Okay, so here I want you to write something like what was the purpose of this research and how you have changed it. So you have to write the purpose of this is, what is the purpose? Let's say the purpose is to let people know that obesity is due to eating habits in early childhood. And the second you want to show people is that education can change their way of thinking. And last but not least, I'll put it first here, and these things will change automatically. I want you also to say that dieting or losing weight can happen with diet and exercise. And you have to say here in this first paragraph, you need also to say that your findings are supported by secondary research like readings and primary research, which is surveys of people ideas and interviews of people who lost weight. So these things have to be in that. These things have to be in your first paragraph. Okay, this goes with that. Now you go to the first. Before this, above here, I want you to go insert, header, and I want you to write your title. You have to write research assessment type 2 outcome, and I want you to write the title of your research. What's the title of your research? I don't know the title exactly. I need to see the title. How is obesity can be how a person can fight obesity. How can we fight obesity? Okay. And I want also here your says number. I don't know what's your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. L. I don't know what it is. Okay, so this has to be there. Like this. Okay. And then here again I need your question. Now that's your summary. Okay, introduction. So you have to give me a title. So you have to tell me in introduction. Now the second one, I want you here to write. What's your first finding? Dieting. Okay, so you have to write here dieting and exercise, or dieting and fitness. That's your first finding. So I need bold. This is how we do bold. Highlight, click bold, and you go and tell me your first finding. Also, introduction has to be bold. Okay, so the people are. The first finding was, it's okay, I can accept that. But you say dieting and diet. The first finding is, I would change that, and I will put something like, the first finding is the importance of dieting and fitness. So you use your title as this, and you delete this. There are two important ways which, okay, they're both indispensable. The first is diet and the second is fitness. Okay, dieting, blah blah blah. Now, well done, this one. I don't want this in here because it takes your word count. So this one, you go highlight, right click, copy, and then you go references, click insert footnote, and you go right click, paste. Okay, actually, and you delete it from here. You delete it from here now. Okay. And actually, I want you to go and, you see here it's there, I want you to go and tell me what exactly is this page. So really, you have to go down here and find this one. And this has to be separated. References. Okay, so this one here is that. Is this? Okay, so this one here, Control C, you have to go. How do you know that's Wikipedia 2011? How, the article is 2011, so you have to discuss that. So we go back here. I prefer to have it something like this. Control V. Okay. This thing. Now, so I want all these things, this to go away from here. Yes, all of this the same way. They should not be in the text. All the gray ones have to be done like this. I'll tell you exactly the way. You highlight it, you right click, go copy, and then right click and cut, and over here you go into the fourth, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go Control V, and that's there. Now you have to delete the color because it was gray for me, but this is how you do it. Okay, all of them. So what else here? All of them. I'm not going to spend more time on this. Okay. And I want you to delete this, because what they see that you have read all this lately. So delete that. Now, here. So dieting, so you write here importance of dieting and fitness. The second finding, again here you have to go I will go here, dieting and exercise. Okay, and I will go here, fitness. Okay, so another title, the importance of fitness. Highlight it and have it uppercase as your second finding. Okay. The second finding is revealed the importance of fitness. Okay, and you discuss about fitness and you explain to us what's fitness, blah blah blah, and ways of losing weight, fitness equipment. Now, the interview the writer conducted was very helpful. So you have to add this. Okay. You have here 5 kilos, and then you have 15 kilos. So you have to tell me what's correct. So tell me what here. I want you to tell me references. What Aneta said. Tell us here what Aneta said about fitness and how this helped her to lose weight. From the interview, I want words from the interview. Okay. childhood obesity. Okay, highlight again. That's your other finding. Okay, again, this Wikipedia has to move. It's a gray. It has to go. I'm going to highlight it and cut it and insert this. Control V, and I will do the same here. Home, cut, and I'll put that references here. Control V. You have to do the same with all of these. Childhood obesity. And I want this in another page, but to have this in another page, I want you to tell me what else this lady told you. And this is how you're going to write it. So here you will put italics, her words. Inside it has to be indented, so you have to bring it inside. How we put indented? You click in here, so it starts from inside, and I want you to put this, okay, and italics, and whatever she said, blah 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 blah. Copy whatever you wrote from a research, from your, and has to go there. Whatever she told you, yes, copy and paste. She said this, this, and that, and then you have here that, and then you will put references in here. Interview conducted by TINGYU on May 2013 with a Aneta X. I want you to write it there, okay, and highlight it, because this is how you show your good work. Otherwise you don't demonstrate it, okay. Okay, and then you will have these things about the obesity, and here I want also to tell me what people are thinking about your survey. Somewhere here you have to tell me what the people believe about obesity. So where are your questions? You had some people here talking to you about the exercise, so somewhere here in the finding and exercise, I want you to do like this: insert table, two parts of the table, and I want you inside here to insert your chart, the chart you have done. Okay, I'm copying that, I'm showing you how to do that. So the chart that says yes to diet, what you believe for diet. And people said yes. 50% of the people said yes to diet, no diet. This is a fake one, I'm just making it. Yes, I want you to put here your, I don't know, do not, no, I want you to put in here your Okay, I want you to put this in here. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, and you will put, I'm writing here, you will put these nice charts you have made and show what people believe. So how are you going to say that? Okay, you're going to say the same beliefs that this website suggests, the same beliefs that this website promotes, were found in the survey I conducted for this research. Okay, and you have to tell me what they believe. The girls, the females, so you have to describe me what the chart says you. So the females believe that it is important to diet, whatever the chart says. Okay, and I want you to see the big picture, because we don't want to have this square there. We right click here on this square and we go up to the borders and we say no border, and look how nice and neat it is. Click over here again on this part, here on this part, and you go here the borders and you say no borders, and it's gone from here. So that's nicely placed in there. And I want your findings. I want your findings of the survey here. I want the findings of your survey in the importance of fitness, what they say about fitness. So again here I want something like this. I'm copying, Control C, something like this, with another chart, what people say about the Control V, something like this. The same beliefs on this website, where what people believe now. Okay, what you believe for obesity or for fitness. Yes, and you will tell me what people in your survey believe about fitness and the importance of fitness. What was that exercise? Yes, I made a mistake. This Control C has to go in the fitness. So you have, let me see show you the big picture. So this one here will be for the obesity, and now you're discussing the fitness. In here with the fitness, you have what the lady says, and before you go to childhood obesity, here I want you to go and write Control V, all your charts about fitness. The childhood obesity, okay, before you go tell me this, or after you tell me this part here, which is not good the way it is there. It's good to have again Control V, your chart, what you believe for obesity. Okay, obesity, what you found. Okay, And then in here, again, you discuss what body mass is. You explain to me what body mass is, and I want this the same way. So you go, I'll show you again. Insert, table, you put these two things here. You grab this and you put it in here, and you grab this and you put it in here. Okay, and if you minimize this, it will be nicely minimized. Okay, you have to minimize it in a nice shape. Okay, and here you go, click and go here, no border, and click here, no border, and it's nice and neat. Okay, so this is how it's really should be done. Now I'm going deeper in here, and again I want the same thing in here. So do you see, TINGYU, how different and more professional this looks here? You have done these nice charts, yeah? You need to put them there. And we are going to make it look so nice and neat. Let's go back here and see what else I want you to make. Again, this has to be gray. It has to be, you have to put it down there. This is very important. You have to highlight it for them to see. The children in Australia are overweight. Okay, and there will be health issues. And the fourth finding is educating on obesity. Okay, highlight uppercase. Okay, Australian, they say the lifestyle has to change. Okay, this has to be gray. Again, copy, cut, references, footnote, Control V. And here the same, home, cut, references, insert, Control V, footnote. And here in the second of this, forget the conclusion. I want you also to tell me what the lady you interviewed said on this. Okay, and I want also what your surveyed people said on this. Is it good to educate people on obesity? Okay, so really here I would like to have one of these nice charts. Okay, something like this. Something like this. Okay, something like this. What you believe for educating people on obesity. Okay, this is really what will make it great. And it's easy. You have done this. You just need cut and paste them. Okay? And then you write as title conclusion here. When it's done, you write here conclusion. Okay. Look at how nice it is this now. I want you to have this format. Yes? So, introduction, you have to make it bigger. First finding, what your survey says. Second finding, fitness, what the person who lose weight and your survey says. Third thing, obesity, what your survey says and your references. Fourth thing, education, what your survey says, what the lady says. If I knew how bad it would be on my health, I wouldn't be so fat. So this is what your outcome should be looking tomorrow. Okay, you have done the charts. Copy and paste them. The one for the obesity there, the one for the diet. If you don't have it, I'll tell you what we do there. Okay, that's it. I'm going to save it and send it to you.